Installation of the EZ-Loc bracket for a wood stud application. Using a level as a reference, draw a horizontal line at the desired shelf height. Be sure to subtract the thickness of the shelf top when marking the line. Use a stud finder to locate the center of each stud to which you will be mounting brackets. Draw a vertical line in the center of each stud up 1 inch from the horizontal line. Place the adhesive template on the wall with the center line mark aligned with the center of the stud and the top of the template aligned with your horizontal line. Use a T30 bit to drive the structural screw into the lower indicator, stopping when the screw is approximately 1/8 inch from the wall. Place the base plate onto the structural screw. Drive a deck screw through the upper hole to secure the base plate to the wall. Screw type and size may vary by model. Lock the shelf bracket arm into the base plate. Place a level onto the bracket and level it by adjusting the lower structural screw. Use a T30 bit. Turn it clockwise to lower the front of the bracket and counterclockwise to raise it. Angle the bracket up slightly to compensate for the weight of the shelf. Place a level across both brackets and level the brackets to each other. Place the shelf onto the brackets and push it firmly against the wall. Measure out 2 inches from the stud center line and mark it with a pencil. Use the included 5 32nd-inch bit to drill to, but not through the bracket. Use an impact with a number 1 square drive bit to drive a self-tapping screw through the hole and into the bracket to secure the shelf. To order brackets or find a distributor near you, visit revashelf.com.